Hi. Welcome back. In our last class, we learnt structuring a portfolio website. In today's class, we will be learning writing a compelling bio and about section. Your bio and about page should clearly explain who you are, what you do, and why you are good at it. How to write a strong bio. 1. Start with a clear introduction. Hi, I'm, your name, your profession, specializing in, your niche. 2. Highlight your skills and experience, mention the industries you've worked in and the impact of your work. 3. Show personality, keep it professional but let your unique voice come through. 4. End with a call to action, example, if you're looking for a creative designer to bring your ideas to life, let's connect. Pro tip, keep your bio short and engaging, 150 to 250 words is ideal. Thank you for listening. See you in the next class.